Okay guys, we've just done the tappets, that's why it's all stripped down. You can see it was on top dead centre with the T mark touching the, lining up with the arrow. And so to adjust the cam chain, it's so easy. There's a nut in here, in between the bottom of the cylinder head. You just get a 10mm spanner, loosen it off, just a little bit to allow the tension off. And I always put my hand in here, just to push on the tensioner blade in there, just to make sure that it's not stuck. It's so simple. And then with that, just tighten it back up. Because it's sprung loaded, as soon as you've let the tension off the nut, the spring will tension the cam chain by the cam chain follower just pushing out. There's a spring up in there and it pushes against the chain, but it can't move until you've loosened the nut. And that is a cam chain done. You should do it every 1500 miles, I think it is, and the tappets, which we've just done.